welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all having a lovely day. Grab a nice cup of something, water, sugar, milk, juice, coffee, tea. I'm drinking coffee, and then I've got a Coke here which I'm going to drink in a bit after this is settled. Anyway, in today's video we're going to be going over productivity hacks and different ways that I find work for me personally and might work for you to help and aid to stop procrastination and actually get jobs done when and as you need to. Anyway, let's get into the video. One thing that I have learnt over this week, because currently still doing the wake up at 6 AM to see if my productivity changes, early starts. I cannot stress this enough. An early start in your day just gives you the willpower to do whatever you need to do. For example, I wake up at 6, I tidy my room. First thing I do, get out of bed, tidy my bed, make my bed, tidy my room. Second thing, I respond to people like on Snapchat, Instagram and everything. And then following that, I leave my phone. If I'm recording a video, I will record, but other than that, if not, I will leave my phone far away from me, put some music on my Amazon device, not going to say its name because it is listening all the time. But then you put your phone away, you crack on with whatever you've got to do. Because, for example, wake up at 6, by the time you've tidied your room, sorted out everything on your socials, it's about 6:30. Say you've got to get up for regularly on a day. For example, for me, I don't have to be up until 9, because then between 9 and 10 I can shower, get ready for the day and go to work, do my schoolwork. But earlier starts means I get a big chunk of my day already out the way. So in the afternoon and the evening and the night time, I can just chill. I can do whatever I want because I've got all of the duties and bits that I need to get out of the way. Next suggestion, good thing that works. Even with the early start, I still do it in the same way as I always have, which is split it into sections or chunks. For example, on my last module on my assignment, it was one assignment, but it had 5 subsections. So each one, I did 1 on Monday, I did 2 on the next day because I had the time to do it and I was feeling very productive, so I did it. But with the other 2 today that I did this morning, I did 1, I then went downstairs, had a coffee, chilled out for a bit, and then did the last one, because that just is how it helps, basically. And if you feel like you can't be productive until you've done everything else you need to do, just do that. For example, I can't start doing my coursework when I have a messy bed or a messy room. I need it all to be clean and clear around me so I can focus and my room isn't giving me any more stress and like cluttered, making my brain cluttered, basically. That's what I'm trying to say. So finish it. Finish whatever you were doing first, as long as you've got enough time to finish the things that you start. For example, if I make my bed in the if I wake up at 9 o'clock in the morning, I make my bed, I shower, I get ready for the day. By that point, I don't have enough time to even bother opening up my laptop to start doing my coursework, so I'll do it after work normally. Whereas, it's okay to do it after work or in the afternoon or in the evening, as long as you haven't got the deadline for the same day or the next day. For example, if my module 2 was due in today, it would put me under stress. I wouldn't have done it. I wouldn't have had the time to do it. So I would have just keep putting it off and off and off and off until I didn't have to do it. If there is any other productivity hacks or rules or lifestyle choices that you want me to talk about and explain, leave it in the comments. Other than that, that is all I can help with today. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm trying to make shorter videos, so then they're more appealing, because I know everyone's attention span has decreased since TikTok and Musical.ly. Because I sure as hell know mine has. So thanks for watching, I hope you enjoyed. If you didn't, check out some other types of videos on my channel. If you just don't like me as a person, get off of my channel and just don't interact. Because if you've got nothing nice to say, don't say it.